A very good evening and warm welcome to Dharma Television Collective News. This is Srishti Khadki. Moving on to the headlines. 7 killed, 1 missing in landslide in Sindhupal Chowk. 15 infected from Corona in Biratnagar. Corona confirmed to 18 out of 21 Indian workers in Nepal. India's Home Minister Amit Shah tested positive for coronavirus. 2 American astronauts returned to Earth. State of disaster declared in Victoria, Australia. More than 39,000 corona infections in Japan. The death toll from corona in Brazil has risen to 94,000. Here we go for news in detail. The bodies of 7 people have been found buried in a landslide in Milamchi Municipality 11. Another person involved in the landslide is being searched. Only 2 of the bodies have been identified. The victims are all men. They are all workers working in the construction of covered hulls. They are said to be citizens of Birganj and India. The terrace where they were staying was destroyed by a landslide at around 2 a.m. last night. Police had rescued Indian national Varusha alive from the spot. Ramesh Karki, chief of the Public Health Division of the Biratnagar Metropolitan City, said that 15 people, including 7 police personnel working at the State Police Office, were infected during the test in Biratnagar. The infected policemen are of age 41, 42, 37, 25, 35, 24 and 33 from Ward 6 and 7. In Ward number 7, infection has been seen in men aged 30, 36, 25 and 45. Similarly, corona infection has been confirmed in a 24-year-old man of Ward number 6 and 2 people working at Kosi Hospital, Biratnagar and 1 male employee of the Virat Medical College have also been found to have corona infection. Last week, 21 Indian workers were brought to Okaldunga for construction work through Birganj. The workers who entered from Birganj without any hindrance have been tested by collecting swabs in Biratnagar of Province 1. Of the 21 people who entered Nepal from India, 18 have been confirmed to be infected with corona. Each day, 1,000 people crossed the border from and to Nepal and India. On Thursday alone, 506 people left Nepal for India and 659 people came to Nepal from India. The Ministry of Health and Population has urged to adopt health vigilance even though the lockdown is easy. It has been made mandatory to wear masks when going out of the house, but in the growing infection, about 2 lakh people who did not wear masks have been punished. India's Home Minister Amit Shah in a tweet communicated that he has tested positive for coronavirus and has been admitted to a hospital. Shah also requested those who had come in his contact to isolate themselves and get tested. The minister said that even though his health is fine, he has been hospitalized on the advice of his doctors. American astronauts Doug Hurley and Bob Behnken have returned to Earth from the Space Center. They landed in the Gulf of Mexico off the coast of Florida in the United States, according to the international media. Astronauts Doug and Bob have landed on seawater. This is the first time an astronaut has successfully returned to Earth from a business trip. The spacecraft was launched by the U.S. space agency NASA in collaboration with the private company SpaceX. Dragon capsule is provided by SpaceX and operated by them as well. The spacecraft entered the space station 422 kilometers above China on May 31st. After waiting a while to check for leaks, pressure and temperature, the passengers in the Dragon capsule entered the station to join the Russian and US teams already on the ISS. The spacecraft, including the Hurley and Behnken, was launched from Florida, USC on May 30. The Australian state of Victoria has declared a state of disaster and placed Melbourne, the country's second biggest city, under nighttime curfew as it grapples with hundreds of mysterious cases of coronavirus. As countries around the world, including the US, the UK and Spain, reimpose varying degrees of lockdowns, the Victorian Premier announced that the state had to impose the highest level of restrictions in order to overcome a stubbornly high number of cases that cannot be traced. Daniel Andrews said that without the tougher 6-week so-called stage 4 lockdown, the state risks having 6 months of milder stage 3 restrictions that would likely not contain the virus and instead overwhelm the health service. Under the stage 4 lockdown, no one will be allowed to venture further than 5 kilometers from their home. Only 1 person per household per day will be allowed to go shopping. Only 1 hour of exercise will be permitted, and Melbourne faced a curfew from 8 p.m. to 5 a.m. Australia's most populous state, New South Wales, faces a high alert as it attempts to contain the coronavirus. Its premier has urged people to wear masks on public transport and while shopping. The number of COVID-19 infections in Japan has risen by 1,330 in the last 24 hours. The number of infected people in Japan has been more than 1,000 for the past 5 days. However, the number of infected people on Sunday has decreased compared to Friday. The number of infected people has reached 13,445 in Tokyo, the capital of Japan's most affected city, while the number is increasing in Osaka, Fukaku, and Kanagawa. According to the Ministry of Health, 26,565 infected people have returned home. Similarly, the number of patients with serious health problems due to the infection has reached 83. The number of people who lost their lives in Brazil from COVID-19 has exceeded 94,000. According to the Brazilian Ministry of Health, 94,104 people have died so far due to the corona. In 24 hours, 541 people have died in Brazil due to corona. The death toll from COVID-19 in Latin America and the Caribbean has risen to more than 200,000, with Brazil having the highest number of deaths. In 24 hours, 25,800 new corona infections have been found. The number of people infected with the corona in Brazil has risen to 2,733,677. Michelle Bolsonaro, the wife of Brazilian President Jair Bolsonaro, and 2 other cabinet ministers were also infected with the corona. This is all for now. We'll be back with more news and updates. Till then, keep watching Dharma Television. May all the sentient beings be at peace. Stay safe.